Today, 19th of June, is the birthday of our Congress leader, national leader, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji. And on today's day, we have decided to celebrate his birthday at this Sahara Home for the Destitute. And the purpose of it is that we have seen how Rahul Gandhi is facing lots of trolling in the form of fake posts and all sort of posts that are trying to tarnish his image. But in spite of that, he is standing firm. Though there is a tremendous hate campaign by the opposite party, crores of rupees are spent only to make posts on him as far as to tarnish his image is concerned. But in spite of that, he is standing tall and he is trying to win the hearts of the people by his slogan, Mohabbat Ki Dukan. And this is what inspires us here in Margao. And that is the reason Margao block, Congress block, has decided to celebrate his birthday at this Sahara Home for the Destitutes, run very efficiently by Kadir and his team. We wish our leader Rahul ji a very, very happy birthday, and we hope that God gives him all the strength and courage to face his opponents in the same manner as he is doing now and win the hearts of all the Indians across the country by his Mohabbat Ki Dukan. Very, very happy birthday to you, Rahul ji. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rahul. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you, dear. Happy birthday to you. Sorry.
जून राहुलजीचे आमचे बर्थडे बाब साहेबान आमच्या डेस्टिट्यूट होमान ते सेलिब्रेशन केल्लें आसा आनी आमचे सगळे इमेडा वांगडा आमकां मातशें खूब खुशी जाली कित्या खातीर कोण तसो येयना आमच्या वांगडा सेलिब्रेशन करपा खातीर आनी सगळे सेलिब्रेशन करता आपल्या हितूनच करता आमचो जो टायम जाता आमकांय मातशें लागलें कित्याक आमचो तर कोण आसा तेज खातीर हांव राहुलजीचे आनी आमचे साऱ्यो सगळे टीम वांगडा आयले तांचो तरी कितें म्हणटा धन्यवाद करता ओके थँक्यू इधर है इधर आशीष को देना खाली